Hello everyone, my name is Pawan and I welcome you all towards my YouTube channel, Pawan Assist, and we're happy to tell that we have been about to reach 8,000 subscribers. And for the past 3 years, we have been preparing many students for Christ deemed to be university ka interview as well as entrance exam ka preparation. And today is a very good news video for you. For all those of you who have been preparing for entrance exam as well as for an interview, I know many of you crib for the fact, Pawan, how do we prepare for entrance? How do we prepare for interview? How do we prepare for entrance interview? I used to get this tons of messages, and today is a very important day. I'll tell you one important tip, okay? If you want to race and win in the match of Christ University, if you want to really hustle as well as have a proper marathon within your entire preparation, you should be knowing what particular materials you need to refer. If you observe, the competition in terms of getting into Christ Central Campus is very high. Most of you know for it. For example, so there are multiple campuses in Christ. Okay, for Christ Central Campus, Christ Banarkata Campus, Christ Kengeri Campus, and Christ Pune Campus, and Christ Delhi Campus. Out of all these campuses, you know for the fact Christ Central Campus is what many of you target for. And then they go for BGR, Kengeri, Bangalore campuses. Also, it's fine, but generally people don't prefer for Pune and Delhi because of so and so many factors, because of not availability of good plays, or exposure level might not be that great enough. That's why people generally go for Christ Central Campuses, because they feel like there's a lot of it's in the central city. That's what generally most of the students generally feel it. And the competition also getting in this college is like very high, very tight, and that's why many people literally try to fail also. If you observe over my 3 to 4 years when I used to take this entrance exam ka preparation or interview ka preparation, I've seen that many people are not able to clear in their entrance exam or their interview because they start their entire preparation at the very last moment. So, in case if you are a student who really want to succeed in your entire preparation, you need to start very early. Do not keep it at last moment because syllabus is very wide. Okay, very wide. And other apto, if you're preparing for any kind of competitive exam parallelly, then it's fine. If not, it's going to be very challenging for you because in 11th and 12th, you don't get exposure on how to read newspaper, how to learn current affairs, how to answer certain kind of logical reasoning questions. There's no kind of proper resource and materials for you. Along for that, for an interview for Christ also, even though that 15 to 20 minutes you are having for Christ, why many of them are getting rejected is because they do not know how to prepare very well. That's why they're literally trying to fail again and again. So in order to overcome this particular solution, I have a very amazing good news for you. And that good news I'll be presenting you through the screen. We are launching with interview course preparation for all of you, for all those of you who've been preparing for Christ interview preparation. It's like a crash course on interview. Here we'll be covering out all the important questions for the interview preparation, everything step by one. Like what is how to prepare an introduction, what are the general tips for colleges, what are the do's and don'ts in an interview, how to prepare self-introduction. Very important. Yeah, this video has been more viral in my YouTube also. I've got like 50,000 views. Exact format which your seniors have been following for past 3 years, which I've been mentored them. Tips for self-introduction, important layers for interview, how to prepare for common interview based question. What do you mean by this common interview based question? Generally these questions are being asked again and again when, like for example, what is this common interview questions could be about, what your strength and weakness, why do you apply one to for a particular college. In campus based questions will go very detailed about Christ. For example, like in Christ specifically, what are the achievements, and why you want the specific kind of course. And for your 11th and 12th based questions also have just been explained one by one. Plus how to prepare for micro presentation in detail have basically been covered. Along with that, important reading materials as a free material also have been provided. In terms of current affairs also have been provided for you guys, which you need to literally try to refer for your upcoming day. And how to answer the gap year questions, to everything I've genuinely been covered. You can explore with that. And I'm also happy to tell that this time an entrance exam preparation book have been released. Yeah, guys, you won't believe it. It's first of all a very important good news which I want to share with you. A list of ebooks, in a very affordable price. You guys can access this entire ebooks. Every books on how to prepare for economics. I've given the questions plus answers, everything one by one. You can just access it. And chemistry, computer science, current affairs, data interpretation, design thinking, fundamental accounting, general English, logical reasoning, everything. Literally one by one, I've covered out everything for your preparation, including questions and answers. It has also the previous year important questions. You can find both the links below, entrance exam as well as interview, in the below description box. Please do go purchase it and start learning. You can refer to the previous 2024 syllabus, 2024 entrance exam syllabus, and start preparing. Do not wait at the last moment. Competition is very high. If you're able to follow with this my particular techniques in this one, your chances of getting into college are very high. Along with that, do newspaper reading. No matter what, you should be doing a newspaper reading every day. Read Hindu editorial or Indian Express ka editorial. That's also fine. Do this, and I can guarantee you that you will be entering into your dream college. Wish you all the best. Good luck. This is me, Pavan, signing off. Take care. Goodbye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. And yeah, if you have any doubts, let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to guide you as always. Take care. Goodbye, and I'll stay in touch with you always.